In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping address on PayPal. If you need to update your shipping address because you've moved, entered the wrong details before, or simply want to make sure your future purchases go to the right place. This process is very quick and easy. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can make the change without any confusion. First, log into your PayPal account on your device. Once you're on the main account page, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This is the settings area, and it's where you can manage important account details, including your address information. After you open Settings, go to the Accounts tab. In this section, you'll find the address details currently linked to your PayPal account. Take a moment here to review what's already listed, especially if you have more than one saved address. This helps make sure you're editing the correct one. From here, you have a couple of options. If you want to add a completely new address, click Add. If you already have an address saved and just need to update it, click Edit or Change next to the current address. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on the version of PayPal you're using, but the option will be in the same general area. Now go ahead and change the address details. Make sure everything is entered carefully, including things like the street name, apartment, or unit number if needed, city, state or region, postal code, and country. It's a good idea to double-check each field before moving on, because even a small mistake can cause delivery problems later. Once you've updated the address, confirm the information and save your changes. After saving, PayPal should update your account with the new shipping address. If you added a new one, you may also want to make sure it's selected as your preferred shipping address for future transactions, depending on how your account is set up, and that's all there is to it. As a final tip, after making the change, it's worth reviewing your saved payment or checkout details the next time you make a purchase, just to confirm the correct shipping address appears before you complete the order. That way you can avoid delays or misdirected deliveries.